Take 3. So, tonight we're looking at adjectives. If we go to the first section, it says definition. An adjective describes or limits the correct answer is noun or pronoun. Okay. And by telling, and we're going to go which one, what kind, or how many. All right, on to the next part here. Let me turn off the pen for just a second and move. Oh, I do that over here. There we go. So now we're going to go to the hints part of this and come back with the pen here. All right, so look at this. An adjective is usually located in blank of the blank it modifies. The correct answer here is going to be front of the noun it modifies. For example, my gray cat sleeps. Okay, gray would be the adjective. Okay, next one. Blank sometimes acts as adjectives, and that would be nouns. Okay, for example, you might say here, football team, or baseball team, soccer team, hockey team, whatever. Number 3, possessive blank such as tailors, responders, the dogs are all adjectives. That's going to be noun. Okay, and then possessive things like mine, my, mine, your, yours are pronouns. Okay, excellent. So now we go to the bottom part. We have some problems to look at here. And so there will be some questions on these sentences later. So the first sentence says, the lazy cat slept by the bedroom window until our dinner. Sentence number 2. Mrs. Pierce made the best bagels for her son, the college student. Sentence 3. Left-handed pitcher Ida Borders pitched for the St. Paul Saints 12 years ago. Sentence 4. The tall trees blocked my view of the new gas station and movie theater. Sentence number 5. Josie is hungry and she is looking for chocolate chip cookies to eat. All right, let's see what we can do here.